Hey, welcome, DenverTV. I know I'm a little naked right now. A little too naked for YouTube. But the reason being is today we're going to be learning how to do our roots. Color dye our roots. People say dye, but the original term is color. Then you go to cosmetology school, as they say, you dye shirts. You do not dye your hair. You color your hair. So open up the box and you're gonna grab the gloves. Again, forgive my nakedness. I just didn't want the color to get upon my clothing. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll put on the gloves first, of course. And what I do is I take the paper and I outline the sink with it, just in case, like just so you can see. I outline the sink with it. I'm in a hotel right now, but even if you're home, you don't want to do that. Now you're gonna see this little tip. Normally, you would use like a knife or some sort of scissor. I'm in a hotel. Let me be honest, I'm out of town. So, what I do is I didn't shake it yet. If you're gonna do this, do not shake it first. Take the tip and I twirl it. Get that off. Tiny bit of product got in my mouth. Don't swallow it, obviously. And now that's open. Then I just screw this top. And I take the color. You pour it inside. Take that. What I do is you don't shake it like you're fucking making a goddamn mixed drink. No. Hold the top a couple times to, you know, get it going. So after that, what I do is at that point, I'm gonna tilt that camera a little bit. And what I do is, oh, a little bit dripped out, that's fine. That's why I didn't put on regular clothes. I just squirt it where I want the color to go. And so, you see, I'm just doing my roots. So, it would just put a little bit and then go like that. A little bit and then go like that. See? I just want to color the roots. I'm be honest, is what you call dark brown right now, but on my head, I don't know, it looks black or whatever. I would call it a 1B, but I don't really like it, so I waited 2 weeks, and I didn't do the whole thing blonde, because as bright as I am, a lot of people was like, oh, she's not black. They kind of hurt my feelings, to be honest. So, anyway, back to the roots. Let me make myself very, you know, and you just hit where you want. And I always do my roots and my sides the same color. So I'm doing my sides as well. I'm gonna be honest with you, those that really, like if you do a lighter color, it's best to do it like in the daytime, because then you, while it's sitting for the 45 minutes, you can stand in the sun, and the sun is what makes it lighter. So look, I'm all done. So what I do is after that, I kind of like rub it in where I want it to be rubbed in at, being very careful that I'm not touching the blonde, because I want the blonde to stay. So you just rub it into where you want it to be. You see, like, I just want it to literally be the roots. I can take the excess like I just did on my forehead, and you see, it's very simple. Again, with doing roots is very tricky because you don't want to hit the places that you don't want to be colored. So, you know, you have to be very precise. So just little bits like you saw, and there you go. And you wait 45 minutes. I want to make sure that I got all the parts that I intended to color. And once you do that, look, I actually already see it coloring. So what I do is, because if this sits on your forehead for 45 minutes, that's gonna burn. So what I'll do is I'll take my finger and I like wipe across like that. You see? And like that. And I get the excess off. You see? It's very simple. And what's on there, you can actually put it on the roots. Boom. Get the excess off. And then there you go. See? That's where you want the color. So you put the color there. And this little blonde, that goes there. Okay. And so to make sure that the color takes, what I do is I take a little bit and I rub it in like that. And I'll put it exactly where I want it to go. Okay, now that is exactly where I want it to go. Again, I'm gonna, you know, go like that, wipe the excess. Take my gloves, I'm gonna go like that, like that. Remember that paper that was in the sink? I'm gonna throw it right in the middle. Boom, finished. And then from 45 minutes from when you started, that's when you count. So it's been about, what, 5 minutes? So in 40 minutes, that's when you wash it out. Be right back. Okay, so seeing as now it's been like 45 minutes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it out, and then we'll see how it looks after. Now that it's washed, see? See the roots? It's completely done. Even at the top. I'll finish. And the rest of it is still blonde. So that is how you dye your roots. Very simple. Oh, and the rest of the product that's left, you can actually hold on to it. Save it for next time. Why not? It's not gonna go bad. It doesn't have an expiration date. But when you do color your hair, I will say that waiting at least 2 weeks is best. Excuse me, it's a little dark. But yeah, waiting 2 weeks and then, you know, putting chemicals in your hair again is best. Now, if you like this content, like and comments, and I'll create more content like this. And subscribe if you haven't. DenverTV. Look one more time. All done. Pretty simple. #DenverTV. Don't forget to subscribe.